Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to resize columns and rows in Google Sheets. There are three main ways to do this, and I'll walk you through each one. The quickest method is to just drag the column or row border. Open your spreadsheet, then find the column or row header you want to resize. For columns, move your cursor to the right edge of the column letter until it turns into a double-sided arrow. For rows, move your cursor to the bottom edge of the row number until it turns into a double-sided arrow. Once you see that arrow, click and hold, then drag left or right for columns, or up or down for rows. The column or row will expand or contract as you drag. When it's the size you want, release the mouse button and the new size is applied. You can also select multiple columns or rows first by clicking and dragging across the headers, then drag any one border to resize all of them at once to the same width or height. If that's not quite what you need, the next method is to auto-fit the content. This automatically resizes the column or row to fit whatever's inside. Move your cursor to the right edge of a column header or the bottom edge of a row header until you see the double-sided arrow, then double-click the border. The column or row will immediately adjust to fit the longest text or tallest content. This also works on multiple columns or rows if you select them first, then double-click any one border. The third method is for when you need an exact pixel size. Click on a column letter or row number to select it. You can select multiple by holding Shift and clicking More Headers, or by clicking and dragging across them. Right-click on the selected header, then click Resize Column or Resize Row from the menu. A dialog box will pop up with a field where you can type a specific size in pixels. You can also select Fit to Data to auto-resize, which does the same thing as the double-click method. Once you've entered your size, click OK, and the column or row will resize to that exact dimension. This method's great for making multiple columns or rows uniform. All three methods work on single or multiple selections. If you want to resize every column or row in the sheet, press Ctrl-A to select all, then use the drag or right-click method. Remember, you're always resizing the entire column or row. You can't resize individual cells. Thanks for watching.